So in this whole content, once it got loaded, it is seen like this. Now let's go back into Tableau and let's just delete the try underscore out one, and this is the, let's open up the new one. Now in this, we know that there are 4 functions which can be used. So similarly, we were trying to find out the outlier. In the very similar cases, we can also find the clusterings using the k-mean. Okay, we can also find out the linear regression using fitlm. We can again find out the forecasting. We can again do many of the statistical thing which we do in R using this script. It's not that difficult to understand, but we need to understand how these booleans are used and how these integers are used and how these real things are used and how these arguments technically work. In case of string, how these things work. So basically, we just need to understand how we do R programming. So once we understand that this is the way of programming in R, in a very similar format, we understand how to work with this. Few of the cases or how to run all these points are explained in the Word document, and the code is related. These codes can be shared out, and accordingly all the forecasting and linear regression work can be done. So this was the way how we connect R. So the main function was how we have seen connecting R using the manage tools, and then how we do coding in R using the calculated field.